These Astro vans had a lot of problems. When I was in Daytona, this one tried to lock me out. The passenger's door lock. The key wouldn't open. It stopped working. And the driver's door, I had changed the driver's door so it has a different key. So I had to get in and out the sliding door. I saw on YouTube how to fix this. I used 3-in-1 oil. You put it right in here. Push it right in like that. And you squirt it. Squirt it all through there. It come loose. And the door started working again. I made the video, but the video didn't come out. That's how you fix that door. Or the door lock, I guess you call it. You just spray it all in there. You wiggle back and forth, up and down, back and forth, up and down. And it'll finally...
You can go ahead and recharge the system. We're going to see if the sprinkler head holds.
Look like this. Back and forth, up and down, back and forth. And it finally let go. 3-in-1 oil. My grandpa always loved 3-in-1 oil. I put this in the sliding door lock and the back door lock too, to loosen them up too, just so that won't happen with them. I gotta change the whole that key out of the other door that I took off. It's really hard to change that key thing, the whole thing, the key lock. I'm gonna pay somebody to do it. I know a guy that works at the Chevy dealership in the auto body. I think I can get him to do it. He might do it for 20 bucks. I'd recommend doing this even if you're not having problems. This van's got 326,000 miles. Of course something's eventually gonna happen to it. The key locks are loose now from having so many miles. When you put the key in, they're loose. The back door's not loose because it hasn't been opened as many times. I'd recommend putting this 3-in-1 in there whether you're having problems or not, just so you won't have problems down the road. My grandpa always loved 3-in-1 oil. Made in USA.